Alright, listen up. This is the most irritating Swiss watch of a job. Probably, yeah, just the worst. Set up for how you have to fucking do your rear drums on a 2000 Chevy Tracker. So, wheel cylinder right there. I don't know, the double spring. There's your slack adjuster there. And this is your slack adjuster pawl, which you need to have ratchet against that. Okay, so as the brakes wear down, the ratchet expands. This is your progress capture for that. There needs to be a red, or whatever color, but the spring that looks like that, connects down there, goes up to that guy. Okay, then there's this spring here, and then there's this purple sling which keeps the tension down on the bottom. This green spring is actually for another slack adjuster that goes toward, like, it adjusts how your e-brake cable works. So all that ends up here, so it sits in there and then it hooks there. See how that hooks into that? And then there's two different plates that sit on the inside of your shoes, and that and one of them connects to your pawl and this hook, and then this one has a separate plate that is where your where the brake cable connects there. And straight up, like, putting it all together is probably, like, you need 17 different little midget fingers to fit in there at one time in order to make it happen. And you know, I'm just gonna I'll never do this again. Straight up, I'm not ever gonna replace. It's just shoes. It's just pads, but it's the most irritating job to ever do. So I don't know, convert to rotors if you can, or like this would be a job I'd pay somebody else to do.